Hey everybody, Kyle here at Diesel Power Products. Today we're going to talk about the Afe Bladerunner Radiator hoses for the 03 to 09, 5.9 and 6.7 Cummins. Now, it's no surprise or secret out there that the stock OE radiator hoses tend to crack over time and fail, leaving you either stranded on the side of the road or in desperate need of repair. So in order to keep your truck on the road longer, or whether you are looking to do some preventative maintenance, Afe has these nice upgraded 5-ply silicone hoses for your 03 to 09, 5.9 and 6.7. It also comes with some upgraded T-style clamps to make sure that you have a nice secure connecting point on them. So if you are looking to either do some maintenance or you are in the need of replacement hoses, these are the last hoses that you'll put on your truck, and you can get them today at dieselpowerproducts.com.